Welcome to this week's What, Why, When Wednesday. We are going to change the access code of our VICTRON CONNECT system. It's our electrical system, and there's a Bluetooth connection that we need to reset because someone from the outside changed our password. Stupid, I know, but yeah, now we need to change it. For that, we're gonna take you on this adventure to see how that works. Let's go. What we need to do, I looked it up on the internet, is to look at the back of the control panel, and apparently there is a plate, and on that plate is a PUK code, the PUK code written. So, and if I have the PUK code, I can reset the password on the machine itself. So let's get the PUK code, and in the process we are going to explain to you the system that we have, just to show you a bit what is going on. So here we have the phone, and there is the app. We use VICTRON CONNECT. There we go. And then you can touch the solar, and then it tries to make a connection, but sadly someone has changed the passcode. So when I can do the regular one, 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros, press OK, it says wrong code. So before we get into the VICTRON system and the PUK code, just a quick tour around the electrics of the van. As you can see, we have two solar panels on the roof. They're around 105 watts each. So we have just over 200 watts of solar, and that is enough for us. And that means that we, in the last 2 months, we have not used external power yet. So every power that we have used has come from solar or from the engine while driving. So that means the engine is charging the battery while driving, so that's the main charge, I would think. And then 2 solar panels, they are sufficient to keep up with the levels that we need. And we do need a lot of power, because we have laptops to charge, we have cameras to charge, we have telephones to charge, a GoPro camera, and we have a drone. Yeah, I'm really happy with the setup that we have now. And one of the reasons we think this energy is enough is because we have invested in 12-volt charging equipment. So all our laptops can be charged through 12-volt, and also the drone battery can be charged through 12-volt, and that helps a lot, I believe. The only thing we don't charge through 12-volt is our toothbrush and is the shaving equipment that I have. So that's doable, I would say. Our household battery is located beneath the driver's seat. Just a standard household battery provided by Volkswagen, and it should be the same as they have in the California. And then I want to show you where the main electrical components are housed. It's in the back. And it is behind, you can see it a little bit already, behind this cabinet. So we need to make some space for it. Let's do that first. So now I've taken out the crates. I should be able to just move this to the side and then remove this part. And now we can start to see the main electrical components. We have the smart charger, 12-volt, 15 ampere, and we have the smart solar charge controller, and that is the one that we need. And I believe on the back we can find the PUK code, and that's the PUK code that we need. Additionally, we have the fuse box where all the fuses are, and we have the main switch for everything. There it is. And indeed, the PUK code is on the back. I will not show you, but it is there. Now I can change the code again. And I'm happy to let you know that it worked. The pin code has been reset to 0000 again. So that's a success. We have taken a photo of the PUK code at the back of the device. So we should be good. Oh, and also we changed the code. So hopefully this will be it. Lesson learned, I have to say. Always change pin codes when you can, because there is always someone who thinks it's funny, or maybe thinks they can have the benefit of changing your pin code. Lesson learned.
Hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching and hope you find it informative. And we'll see you next time. Bye bye.
Yep. And if you really find it informative and you want to see more videos like these, then please consider subscribing. It's free and it helps us a lot. So hope to see you next time. Bye bye.